Up next in our exploration of Content Designer is the HTML block. Here you can see we're in Copilot and we're typing out a prompt. Okay, we're going to build a counter that counts down to April 15th, 2026. It generates the code for us, and now what we're going to do is we're going to copy that code. And you're going to see this pattern over and over. I'm going to come back to Blackboard. I'm going to add an HTML block, and I'm going to paste the code from Copilot in here, and voila, we've got a time remaining in the Ultra Transition counting down, and it is now an active block in the content. Now we're over in YouTube, and we're going to embed a YouTube video here. We're copying the code that YouTube makes it so easy to copy, hopping back over to Blackboard, hitting the plus sign, creating yet another HTML block, and then pasting that in there, and there we go. Now, of course, just a quick reminder, we can customize all these content blocks here and get them to fit just so. So now we're going to go ahead and take a look at Canva. And in Canva, we're going to share a presentation. Instead of downloading it, we're going to go to the extra features and we're going to embed the Canva presentation. The top one is the one that works with Blackboard, which is embed the HTML code. We copied it, we came back. We're going to create another HTML block and we're going to paste it in there. The moment we click outside of this block, we can see we've got a Canva presentation. And after saving it, now we'll be able to go ahead and we'll be able to click through this presentation. There we go. And you can see the different slides as we go here. For the final example here, this is actually a website, so I went to W3 Schools and generated some code here, and it's just a generic site where you selected it all, copied the code, and now back in Blackboard, we're going to go ahead and again, we're going to create another HTML block. We'll paste that code in there, we'll click out of there, and there we go. We've got a working website built into the content of our Content Designer.